Section 2.3, Example 2. For the function f of x equals 23 e to the x minus 4, find the points, if any, at which the graph of the function f has a horizontal tangent line. So we're looking for horizontal tangent line. What it means is the slope equals 0. So we need to find a slope first using f prime of x. So f prime of x, for the 23e to the x minus 4, we integrate turn by turn. So the constant multiple 23, we keep it. Derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Minus 4, okay, the derivative of constant is 0. So the derivative or the slope is 23 times e to the x. Now, if you draw the graph of e to the x, it's never 0, okay? It will never equal 0. So the points that has a horizontal tangent line is empty. There's no such point. The equation of the horizontal tangent line is also empty. Now, when is f prime of x greater than 0? Well, take a look at the graph of f prime of x. It's always positive. So it's just a domain of the exponential function, negative infinity to infinity. When is f prime of x less than 0? Never. Okay?